Now, there was another one called Piltdown Man in England. Half man, half ape, all right? Well, you look at the picture right here. Well, it certainly looks like an ape-type creature, but it has some man characteristics, too, in the picture. It's working with tools, and his face is losing a little bit of hair. First of all, take a good look at that picture. Is that what they actually found, guys? No. So what do we call that? Artwork, that's right. And then what's that question we ask ourselves? What's the evidence? That's right. Well, here was the evidence. What they had found was a skull that looked like that of a man, but attached to it was the jawbone of an ape. But the teeth looked very, very human. For over 40-some years, guys, this was the evidence to prove that you and I came from a half-man, half-ape-type creature. But some docs went back and they took a good look at those bones again and said, wait a minute, this is just a joke. This is a trick. Yes, it was the skull of man, but somebody had cleverly attached that jawbone of an ape. Then they'd actually taken those teeth and they'd filed them down to make them look human. It was a joke. It was a trick. But it was a trick that lasted for over 40-some years.